Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by forcing a clean safe mode entry so the system can offer recovery tools. Power off the PS5, wait at least 30 seconds, then hold the power button until you hear the second beep. This signals safe mode. Connect your DualSense with a USB cable because Bluetooth won't work here. Once in, choose the simplest option first. Press the controller and try option 1 to reinitialize the UI or option 2 to restart. These quick checks tell you whether the issue is firmware or storage related. Once inside safe mode, you move to repair actions that address corrupted system files and indexing errors. First, try update system software using internet or a prepared USB. This fixes firmware issues that cause boot loops. If that doesn't help, select Rebuild Database to remove file system clutter and restore block-level organization. It's slower but often resolves crashes. Also make sure to unplug external drives and non-essential USB devices because conflicts there. Finish by choosing the definitive fixes only after backups. You can perform a factory reset to clear persistent corruption, but make sure you backup saves to cloud or USB before you proceed. If the reset fails, do a full reinstall of system software from a USB stick, prepared with the correct folder/file names. This restores a clean OS image. If problems persist after reinstall, document the exact errors and behaviors, then contact Sony support. This helps escalate hardware diagnostics or RMA faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.